Hello everyone! So today I will show you how to make an Edwardian inspired hairstyle, and actually it's way more easy to make than you may think. You will need just few things. Let's start from the hair red. You can use synthetic hair or you can use a hair donut. It doesn't matter, just choose something that matches your natural hair color. I also will be using this type of hair donut just to create a small bun at the back of my head. And I'm also planning to use a dry shampoo to create a little bit of volume. Because I have very thin hair, I love to curl my hair a little bit before I start to make this type of hairstyle, because it allows me to create more volume. But if you have very thick hair, don't do that, you don't have to do that. Just don't worry. So, let's get started. The first thing I want to do is using a hair shampoo. For this hairstyle I'm using Batiste with hairspray in it, because it allows to create a volume very quickly. Then I'm dividing my hair into two parts, front and back. I'm placing a small hair rat at the front. I experimented with different sizes of hair rats, and this hairstyle looks the best with the small one. I'm placing my hair over it and pinning them at the back using bobby pins. As you may notice, I'm using a hair rat only at the front part, because I don't need a lot of volume at the back. Then I'm taking a hair donut and placing it right at the back of my head. I'm wrapping it with my hair several times and pinning everything in place with the bobby pins. Then I'm using a hairspray just to be sure that the hairstyle is smooth. And then I'm adding some curls at the front. I also love to decorate this hairstyle with some flowers, just as a finishing touch.